Chewy, a Mexican-American pawnshop owner, travels back in time to try to stop the Spanish invasion of the New World. But Aztec Aborigines aren't the only Native American superpower. The history books didn't tell us about this other mysterious culture that rivaled the Europeans. Can Chewy convince them to fight with him against the conquistadors? This action-packed book 3 of a 3-part sci-fi series is the perfect ending, or can easily be read alone without the previous 2 books. Written with consistency in mind, which is often lacking in time travel books, the more scientifically astute will find the attention to detail refreshing, but the story also has enough character development and drama to make even romance novel readers enjoy every bit of it. Read Aborigines today for a story that will stick with you tomorrow. Get the entire series and learn the backstory of each character. Visit rodricke.com now.